In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete the temporary files on your computer. So if you're looking to clean up some space on your computer, then deleting the temporary files is a great way to do this. Now, there's basically a few methods that I'm going to show you. All of them are completely safe to do so. So don't worry about losing any important data like your game data or anything like that. And the first method we're going to use to delete our temporary files is just heading over to your Start menu and searching for Settings. And then from the Settings window, click on System on the left-hand side, scroll down and select Storage. And then from this list, click on Temporary Files. Now here you'll be able to see all of the folders and places that you currently have temporary files. And you can see on the right-hand side how much space is actually taking. So anything that we check inside of this list is going to be deleted. Now it really comes down to personal preference about which things you want to delete. So I'm just going to actually check all of the options in this list. As you can see, everything here is going to be checked. And then you're just going to click on Remove Files at the top. Now that's the first way that you can delete temporary files from your computer. The second method is just by coming over to your Start menu and searching for Disk Cleanup and then clicking on it like so. Then from here, select the drive that you want to clean up. For most cases, it's just going to be standard C drive and press OK. And this window will pop up here. Click on Clean Up System Files. Once again, select your drive and press OK. And just like before, we now have a list of all the things that we're able to clean up on our computer. Now, all of the things in here are safe to go ahead and delete. But if you just want to delete the temporary files, then we're going to uncheck these ones here and just leave temporary internet files. And then we're going to uncheck all of these options as well. I'm going to keep the recycle bin checked, temporary files checked, thumbnails checked, and also system recovery log files checked. And then just go ahead and press OK and select delete files. So that's the second method of deleting temporary files on your computer. And the last and final method is by coming over to your Start menu, searching for Run, and then clicking on the Run icon. And in this box here, just type in the word temp and hit enter. And what we're going to do is delete all of the files and folders inside of here. So I'm just going to press Ctrl A on my keyboard to select everything. Then I'm going to right click and press the trash icon to delete it. And if you get this message pop up, just select Do this for all current items and press continue. Now there will probably be some files and folders left over in here that can't be deleted. That's probably because they're already running in the background of your computer. So as long as we delete the majority of them, it doesn't really matter too much. I'm just going to close out of this window. And then you're going to come back over to the Start menu and search for Run. Click on Run once again. And this time type in %temp %, and hit enter. And once again, we're going to select all the files and folders inside of here. Right click and select the trash icon. And then once again, press Do this for all current items and just hit continue. So as you can see, that's deleted the majority of files and folders. And these are basically the three methods to delete temporary files from your Windows 11 computer. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments below and I'll see you in the next one.